Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike. I haven't said that in so long. Wow, it's been a long time. It's been too long. It's just gorgeous with girl. All right, first of all, I want to say thank you for all of the comments. Yeah, so many comments. A lot of concern about my well-being and about the move to a new city. So thank you very, very much for that. I felt that right here in my old heart. But take a look. Yeah, I got the car, the old car. I got the old megaphone. Yeah, there's a whole story behind that right there. And I got a different garage. It's temporary while I look for a house, but this is where we're going to do some videos. Let me tell you about what's going to happen today. Okay, here's where we're going to be fixing cars somehow, some way. Okay, yeah, we're going to pull them up in here and fix cars. But I brought over, of course, my dad's car. This is the one that I'm going to keep forever and ever. I've been driving this on the streets in the new city. Had a lot of fun with that. I brought this car over as well. And I got the ML. Yeah, the ML 500 to tow cars back and forth. So basically, what I've done is I asked everybody to let me know what car I should work on next, and a lot of people had a decision, and they were very adamant about what they wanted me to work on. Some people just wanted to see this car. So let me show you this. It's an 05 ML 500, so it's got the big V8. It does pull. I have added a tow hitch to it so we can pull cars back and forth. So what is it going to be? What car are we going to get? We're going to drive down to my old location. It's about an hour and 30 minutes on the turnpike, and we're going to pick up a car. Is it Satan's car? Is it the W140? Could it be another W215? Or is it the 126, the old 560 SEC? Or is there another car down there? I don't even remember. I'm sorry. I think I have 4 cars there in Oklahoma City. Yeah. So what's it going to be? I don't know. You got to watch to find out. I did want to mention, a lot of people have been asking about Quack Quack, my duck. Yeah, look. We got him a little sanctuary. Yeah. I need to clean it out. It's a little dirty right now. It's been a couple of days. This is literally like a couple of days of poo. Yeah. Ducks are pigs. They really are pigs. But Quacky is with me here in my new city. Say hi, Quack Quack. Yeah, he's getting new wings. Isn't that neat? Did you know the ducks actually change? Yeah, see, it's a boy duck. He's a boy. He's a man duck. But his head isn't that beautiful green, that turquoise and green? Yeah, because when they're not mating, when they're not looking for the ladies, they look like the ladies so they can hide in the brush. I didn't know that either until I got him. So Quacky's fine. He tries to swim in his little pool every once in a while, but he is living large in a tiny little cage. Say bye, Quacky. Give me a kiss. Yep, headed to Oklahoma City. All right, have you got a clue? Do you know what we're going to bring back? I just got a haircut from a lady that used to cut my hair when I lived here. So, what's it going to be? What am I going to get? Is it the CL500? Is it the S500? Is it the CLK 350 or the 560 SEC? Lola, do you know what you want? Lola? Lola? Yeah, what do you want? Well, we're going to find out. Stay tuned. All right, well, I forgot to make a video when I picked up the car, but we're halfway back, and I'll give you a quick little peek. Oh, yeah, look. Yeah, that's the car we're working on. But I do want to show you this. How often do you see a truck of Teslas? Look at this. Yeah, they're all Teslas. Look at that. That's weird. Okay. We got a blue one. There's a white one. We got a dog that's trying to go to the bathroom. We got a gray one and white. And look, let's look inside. Woo! Can you even see in there? Probably not. Okay. Here we go. And I got a white one and then a black one. Look at that. They're all Teslas. How cool is that? All right, we're still waiting for the McFlurry. And how many W163 people get bothered by this? Go pokes. Look, very little fits in there. I love the design, how they can kind of disappear. See? Yeah, that's fancy. But they're not big enough for anything more than a can of Coke. See? Yeah. But I'll tell you what, 164,749 miles in this car, other than that, which I know what that is for. That right there, not a big deal. SRS is because of that seat belt right there that's unplugged at the bottom. But this ML500 is towing this car. Oh, see? Oh, there it is. Like there's nothing behind it. Still, it's the same RPM. If I'm going 75, I'm still at like 2,700 RPM with the big car behind me or without. Yeah, okay. Okay, we're back. We've arrived. Did you guess what car we picked? Do you know? Do you know? Can you figure it out? What is it? Here's one hint. Here's two hints. Yeah, if you're a true Mercedes person, you should know, okay? Just from the headlights. Yep, here it is. There it is. The W215, the CL500. And I chose this car because it's almost done. And I have someone who needs a car, and I think I'm going to take payments on it because she really needs some help. And she used to work at the LKQ junkyard. And so I'd go there a lot. And we just became friends, and she just needs something. So anyway, as this comes back to life, here's what we're working on today. Remember this cable? Yeah. Remember how it was broken and I couldn't open the door and then it broke again? Well, it wasn't the cable. Not at all. What was it? It was the actual handle. Yeah, this part right here. It snapped off. I've never seen that before. So that was broken. So what I did, I went to the dealer. I bought a new handle because you can get a handle for like $70 or you can get this whole piece for like $120 or $200. But the thing you have to do to get to the handle is to take this and 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 this off, which is fun. And then unscrew these two things, and then these are screws on the opposite side. So basically, you're looking upside down now. This wood piece and the leather piece all has to come out, so you can get the two screws here, one screw right there. See, 2 and 1. Yeah, 2 and 1. Then you put it on. So what we're going to do is we're going to attach this, put the door card back on, and then, remember the transmission computer that I thought would work? Let me open this. Yeah, remember the transmission computer that I thought might work because it was full of transmission fluid? It didn't work. Yeah, the part number was 1 or 2 digits off in the wrong space. And, oh crap, this is so much fun to take off here. Okay, anyway. Where is it? Yeah, it's right there. Okay, what had happened? Well, what happened was transmission fluid was leaking from the conductor plate, defying the laws of gravity, going up and around and coming out into here, and it was filling up the transmission computer. Yeah, I'll see if I can find that video and show you. There. See? You ready? Oh my, oh my gosh. Holy smoke. And this, okay, I'm guessing that's not good. That's a little resistor. So I got another one from another car, put it in here. Nope, it didn't work. So I had to order one off eBay. eBay is a good thing. So here we go. 2003 S600. Ooh, fancy. But the big deal is 032-545-3032. That's the right part number. That's exactly what I need. Okay. What else do we need to fix on this car? Oh, I'll show you one more thing. And it came to me like this. Remember we replaced the bumper? We gave it a BBL? Yeah. But look what happened. See how that sticks out? Oh, we're missing something. So apparently, when the big trucks picked up the car, they pushed that in a little bit. So I'm going to have to figure out a way to pull that out a little bit before the rest of the bumper melts off. Okay? All right. Well, let's fix the door. You want to? Yeah, that sounds like so much fun. And just like that, we have a door that's attached, except for this piece, which I happen to have right here, but I don't happen to have the screw that goes right there. So I got to go find out what kind of a little screw goes in there so this can go like that. All right, and I got to find this. I think it's in the trunk. But let's move on because I want to go ahead and put the transmission computer in. Wait. Time for a Coke break. Coca-Cola. Okay. This, if it was from Eskimo Joe's, we call it fine china, fine crystal, fine china and crystal from Stillwater because of Eskimo Joe's. Okay. So, here is the correct one. Here is the incorrect one. So what we're going to do, hopefully, is take this one out and put the new one right in. Okay? Okay. So let's see how easy this is one-handed. There's some guy on YouTube that I watch. He's in Canada. And he does everything one-handed, and it works for him. It does not work for me. Yeah, this is not working at all. So let's set it up, and you can watch as I try with two hands. Let's see if we can do this with two hands instead of just one. There's one. And come on. Okay, so there's two. Okay, so we're more than a couple of numbers off. Okay, see that one? Yeah, I got this at LKQ in August. 022-545-5132. That is bad. You ready? Sound effects. This one is good. 032-545-3032. So let's put this on. I want to make sure that we're still not getting any transmission fluid leaking up here. So this looks pretty good. Somebody said that he installs his upside down, so the fluid can't go up this way. I don't know if that's going to work or not. Let's be normal first, and we'll just try this and see what happens. And then I'll check it before it moves on to a new home. Okay? So, I'll put this in. Okay, there we go. We'll put this in. Hear that vibrato? Ooh, no, Mike cannot sing at all. Well, he thinks he can. I don't know if the others do or not. Ha! Okay. So, come on, little buddy. This is kind of tight. Here we go. Ugh. There. Okay. Slide down in there. Where's my coffin top? Okay. coffin top back on. Good golly. Come on. Don't do this to me today. You're embarrassing me in front of my friends. Don't fight. Just submit. Ha! There you go. Yes. I'd call you my witch, but I don't want to get you mad at me. Okay, so we've got that. Now what we're going to do is see if my little handheld computer can reset the transmission codes. Okay, let's see if that's possible. Here she is, MB2 iCar Soft. We're going to see if we can get this to reset the codes. Okay, here we go. Diagnose. Benz. Please wait, please wait, please wait. Please wait, please wait, please wait. Okay. Getting close. 215 CL class up to 8 of 2002. When were you made, my pretty? 5 of 03. 5 of 03. As if left hand. Okay, now we're gonna go through and read all the codes. Okay, here we go. Let's look at the transmission. Read fault, signal, component YS, transmission oil temperature sensor, and electrical check of component shift pressure code has failed. Okay, that's probably because of the transmission fluid all up in that electrical connector for the conductor plate. Okay, so let's see if we can do this. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, you want to? I don't know why SRS. I don't know why we have an SRS. But let's see if we can clear it out. No fault. Control unit in telecommunications control module. There's a cable fault. Maybe because I was working on the door. Look at that. Yes, buddy. Look at that. Okay, so we're going to take it around the block, around the little apartment complex, and we'll see if we fixed it. Let's say a little prayer. Okay. Okay, here we go. Now we have 2 new struts on the front of the car, because this has already been converted, and they probably have 6 miles on them. Shift. She shifted like a pro. She shifted like a pro, girl. Shifted like a pro. Shifted like a pro, girl. Shifted like a pro. Okay. That makes me happy. Okay. So, this car is 2 steps closer to being finished. All right. This is a happy face. It's a sweaty face. And it's an old face, but anyway, it's fixed. So I think we are getting closer and closer to getting this little beauty ready to go. I have several more cars. So I do want to say thank you for all the support. I'm sorry it's taken so long to do these little videos. I love doing this. It's not for the money. It's not for the recognition. It's just for the fun. I like to have fun doing this. And all the comments from across the world, pretty amazing if you ask me. So thank you for watching. Monkey Wrench Mike is back. He is back and here to stay. And stay tuned. I have another video coming out pretty soon. Okay, bye everybody.